Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English Learning Podcast. I'm David.
And I'm Emily. Today, we're going to talk about the past continuous tense. It's very useful for describing actions that were happening in the past. Are you ready, David?
Absolutely, Emily. Let's begin. First, what is the past continuous tense?
The past continuous is used to describe actions that were in progress at a specific time in the past. For example, I was watching TV, or they were playing football.
So, it's about ongoing past actions, right?
Exactly. Now, how do we form the past continuous tense?
I think it's formed with the past tense of the verb to be, was, or were, plus the main verb with ing added.
Correct. The structure is subject plus was or were plus verb ing. For example, I was studying. You were working. She was sleeping. They were reading.
Can you give some more examples?
Sure. He was cooking dinner. We were traveling last week. It was raining yesterday. She was listening to music.
Great. How do we make negative sentences?
To make negatives, add not after was or were. For example, I was not, wasn't, sleeping. They were not, weren't, playing outside. She was not, wasn't, studying. And contractions. I wasn't, you weren't, they weren't.
What about questions? How do we form questions in the past continuous?
To ask questions, invert the order. Was or were plus subject plus verb ing. For example, were you at the party? Was she swimming? Were they working late?
Are there any common uses or situations for the past continuous?
Yes, it's mainly used for actions that were happening at a particular moment in the past. For example, at 8 p.m., I was watching TV. Two actions happening at the same time in the past. For example, he was studying while she was cooking. Or to describe a background scene or setting in a story.
That's very clear. Are there any spelling or pronunciation tips?
Well, no special spelling rules for the form, but remember to use was with singular subjects and were with plural subjects. Also, stress is usually on the auxiliary verb when speaking in questions or negatives.
To summarize, the past continuous is formed with was or were plus the ing form of the verb, and it's used for ongoing past actions, simultaneous actions, or background descriptions.
Exactly. Practice using the past continuous to describe past scenes and activities.
Thanks, Emily. Thanks, everyone, for listening. Keep practicing the past continuous, and see you next time.
Bye, everyone!